Welcome to the world of Still. We are presenting our 3 high-lift pallet trucks featuring high handling performance, flexibility and above all, safety. The ECV10, ECV10C and ECV10IC. All 3 are single-hand operated electric pallet trucks of our classic line for vertical transports with loads up to 1 ton. The ideal partners for light and occasionally stacking applications, especially in narrow working areas where you sometimes have to aim high. The fields of application of these trucks are manifold, from supermarkets and sales rooms to warehouses. The very low tail weight of maximum 600 kilograms facilitates the use on intermediate levels or the transport by freight elevators. At the first sight, our 3 all-rounders look very similar, but the difference lies in the details. However, let's talk about the similarities first. In terms of ergonomics and maneuverability, all 3 trucks impress with their compact truck dimensions and the electric operation of all driving, lifting and lowering functions. The easy grip tiller enables easy maneuvering. It also impresses with low steering forces and small turning radius, which additionally reduces strain on the operator. Due to low chassis structure, all 3 trucks stand for their excellent visibility of the fork tips. The deep-drawn truck frames, as well as the lift height-dependent speed reductions, ensure more safety for both operators and other persons in the working area, as well as for the safe transport of goods. The 4-wheel chassis has a positive effect on the stability and steadiness of the high-lift pallet trucks. All trucks have tandem rollers for particularly smooth and precise handling. The ECV10 variants are powered by maintenance and gassing-free lead-acid batteries. This protects both the operators and the environment. In addition, there is no need to fill the batteries with water. 2 12-volt batteries with 125 ampere-hours are installed in the ECV10. The ECV10C and ECV10IC, on the other hand, are powered by 2 times 12-volt batteries with 85 ampere-hours. To ensure high availability, all truck variants are equipped with an integrated charger, so they can be recharged at any socket. In addition, all trucks feature an LED display which shows the battery charge status as well as the operating hours. The trucks are started by means of a key switch, which prevents access by unauthorized persons. By now you are familiar with the similarities of our 3 all-rounders. The difference lies in the mast variants. The ECV10 has a telemast, which offers the greatest lifting height, over 3 meters. A plastic protection guard to prevent reaching through is integrated into the mast, thus increasing safety and allowing a good visibility through the mast onto the fork tips. The C at the end of the ECV10C and ECV10IC stands for compact. Both of the trucks feature a monomast. This allows an optimal view of the fork tips and lift loads to height of more than 1.8 meters without extending the lift and increasing the overall height of the truck. This is particularly advantageous for use at lower ceiling heights. In addition, the compact mast is also ideal as a work table. The I in ECV10IC stands for initial lift. The initial lift provides a higher ground clearance in order to overcome slightly uneven grounds and slopes. In addition, you can transport up to 1.2 tons inside the initial lift. You have now learned about the similarities and differences between our ECV10 variants. The ECV10 is the right choice for you if you want to aim high. Are you primarily looking for a mobile working table or a truck for light order picking operation? Then the ECV 10C is your truck. You need more ground clearance? You get that with the ECV 10IC. With our reliable and fast service performance, we make sure that your ECV 10 is always ready for use. Thanks to our comprehensive sales and service network, we are always close to you. Because when it comes to the availability of your intralogistics, we never compromise. See for yourself.